Hi, I'm Luiza and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cute tree out of empty toilet paper rolls. It's a really easy and quick project, so I really hope you give it a go. We're only going to need 4 empty rolls, and from each roll we're going to cut some circles. If you have something a bit smaller to trace the second circle, use that. I didn't, so I'm just using the same shape and then I'm going to trim it out. And the last 2 circles are going to be a lot smaller than the first 2. And once we have our circles, we can start working with them. Each circle is going to be folded the exact same way. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Make sure that you check out the rest of my Craftmas playlist, as I decided that this year, for the entirety of December, or actually up until Christmas, I'm going to post a video each day. So you have a lot of holiday crafts to choose from. You could leave your tree like that, but I decided I wanted to make it look a lot more like a Christmas tree. I'm using some different types of paint markers, but you can also use acrylics, markers, whatever you have on hand. You can even hot glue some beads or pompons on it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Happy holidays!